Taking a look at our schematics, we are unable to easily see the top gussets on our multi-view drawing. If we take a look at the exploded view, we can see that the gussets are all the way at the top, all the way on the sides of the project. Those pieces run from the back of the face frame to our top rear rail. If our calculations are correct, these pieces should be 3/4 of an inch thick, 2 1/4 inch wide, and 10 1/4 inch long. Now, of my remaining material, I have my big long board that is left, which was the second board that I grabbed. I have my plywood remnants, which will end up going for the shelves. I then have my one additional piece that should yield me both of these top gussets. If each top gusset is 10 1/4 inches long, multiply that by 2 is 20 1/2. My piece here is about 21, so that should leave me plenty of material. The top gusset is 2 1/4 wide. I am at about 2 1/2, so I should have plenty of material.